Actually remarkably similar to a can of sweet corn, but better in every conceivable way. I'm going to show you an amazing recipe that utilises these to the best of both of our abilities. That's today's Veg Hacks sweet corn chowder. It's delicious. Of course, you can open up a can of sweet corn, but you've got to think if your purchasing power actually has sort of political and environmental consequences, why not spend it on the people who are actually trying to make the world a better place? To support the local people if you can, and you know what, it's tastier, delicious, healthier, and you'll actually enjoy it more, especially when they've got cute little afros like this. What recipe doesn't start with gently frying onion and garlic? You want your potatoes in there as well. Often potatoes, if you can sort of heat them up in the oil when you're sauteing other stuff, they'll actually cook a little bit quicker when you add the liquid because you've already sort of warmed them through, so half the battle is already done. So whack them in like so, and we're also gonna add the peppers in, and we're gonna just sort of soften everything down. Now let's get our corn ready as well. Look at that, that is just beautiful. You literally just slice down it like so and get them all off. You don't wanna be too fine because you don't want to just like chop the kernels in half. You want to get nice big chunks. So we're going to add the cores as well, not to eat, but imagine like this is like a sweet, intense sweet corn stock cube. That's my favorite bit of any recipe, is when you add the spices in. The paprika, the bouillon powder, the thyme and the oregano. And I've also got some fresh bay leaves, which I'm going to get in there. Also give these a fry. Cool, I'm going to get my corn in. We're also going to add those in too, just like I said, to release some more flavour. And here we go, about 800 ml of water. And now what we want to do is just slowly simmer that until the potato is cooked all the way through. It smells so good. Something about this sweet corn is just singing out of the bowl. The potatoes cooked, so what you can do is if you give them a slight sort of squish, they'll kind of like spread out and make the whole sort of thing really thick and creamy. I'm gonna add, you know, a couple of spoonfuls of chickpeas. And now, just to finish this off, very importantly, we take out the cobs and we're just gonna stir through some cream. And look at that. That, if you could smell how good this smells. Ooh-wee. And just to top it off, get some parsley on it, sprinkle of red chili. And as an optional little side, what you do is get some tortillas, cut them up into triangles, coat them with cheese and oil, and then you've got these little crispy, cheesy tortillas just to dunk in it. That is creamy, sweet, smoky from the paprika, really sort of comforting from the potato. And then you got these little bits of sweet corn which just explode with flavour. That's really delicious. I hope you give it a go at home. Any comments, feedback, any other vegetable you'd like to see us talk about, cook or prepare, then just let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more Veg Hacks.